Now that we've rebooted the machine, we'll go ahead and launch Veeam Backup and Replication by double-clicking on the Veeam Backup and Replication console icon located on the desktop. Click on Connect. So one thing that we'll want to just verify is if we click on the Backup Infrastructure and we click on the Backup Repositories tab, what I'm looking to verify is that our default backup repository was actually created on our secondary drive and that we have plenty of space for backups. We can see that that's definitely the case here. We can also verify again that that license was installed by coming down here and clicking on License, and we can see that it is definitely there. So at this point, Veeam Backup and Replication version 11 Beta 1 has been successfully installed. It is licensed. It is aware of the secondary drive that we formatted with REFS with 64K blocks. The default backup repository was indeed defaulted to that secondary drive, and we're ready to proceed.